My name is Rachel Perlman. I'm a PhD student in the Institute for Data Systems and Society, and I'm working with the Office of Sustainability, and we're collaborating on my dissertation project, which is looking at the materials that MIT is consuming and disposing. So I'm characterizing all of the material flows here on campus. What makes this project different from other projects at other universities that I've seen is that our project is very systems level focused. So we're thinking about things from the whole life cycle perspective and the whole institute perspective. So we're thinking about how things come into campus, how they're used on campus, and how they leave campus. And we're not just looking at one point.
So we are doing a waste audit, and we're basically trying to look at the outputs of the school and see how well the sorting is going.
This is a Sankey diagram which shows the material flows coming into a system and out of a system. And this is a pretty standard flow diagram used in material flow analysis, but that's a pretty small community, so a lot of people haven't seen this kind of diagram before. The width of each flow, of each arrow, or each line is proportional to the magnitude of the flow.
What's so exciting about this and the help from all these students is that we're getting an understanding of the typical composition of waste coming out of a building like Sloan here that has a mixture of uses. And as we put the waste stream coming out of this building with the dorm, with the dining hall, with the labs, we can now start to see what are some of the more common streams of waste that we're seeing coming out.
The whole goal of the project, which is tracking materials and understanding how they flow through campus, and that allows us to then get a sense of what are the biggest flows, what are the things we should be focusing on, and then from there we can potentially think about ways to reduce those impacts.
You know, we've already been working on Site 4, which is the new graduate building. We put a lot of thought into that trash room and how we can do trash recycling and composting. Also having a spot where compost can be stored safely. So by doing a good process, I think we'll get the students involved.